DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes A-Class Sport. It's in beautiful white with gloss black alloy wheels. It's lovely condition for its age and mileage. Just been serviced, just been MOT'd. Privacy glass to the rear. It's in lovely condition. It's just had its recall done at Mercedes as well. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got parcel shelf. Sport interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Just start the car up. Sounds lovely. Multifunction steering wheel. 6-speed gearbox. Climate control. USB. It's got satellite navigation, that's a big option on the car. Bluetooth connectivity. Cruise control. DJH with full dealers for facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.